Did you know that eating certain foods can significantly reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer? Well, if you want to discover which foods these are and how you can start eating them today, keep watching. In this video, we'll explore 9 healthy foods that you should consider eating every day in 2025. And trust me, some of these may surprise you. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Problem. Today, many people struggle with maintaining good health due to various factors, including poor diet, lack of physical activity, and chronic stress. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, over 4 million people die each year as a result of poor diet. But did you know that eating the right foods can help prevent and even cure some diseases? That's where nutrition comes in. The term nutrition refers to the nutrients and foods that our bodies need to function correctly. Good nutrition is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being and preventing chronic diseases. The key to good nutrition is consuming a balanced diet that includes all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. This can help improve energy levels, boost the immune system, and reduce the risk of developing health problems. Now that we understand the importance of nutrition, let's take a look at 9 healthy foods that everyone should eat every day in 2025. No. 1. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and B vitamins. These nutrients can help improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. To incorporate salmon into your diet, you can have it grilled, baked, or pan-seared, and serve it with brown rice and steamed vegetables. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These nutrients can help improve bone health, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and enhance vision. You can add spinach to salads, smoothies, or it as a side dish. Note 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains sulforaphane, a compound that can help activate the body's detoxification process and potentially lower the risk of cancer. It is also high in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. To include broccoli in your diet, you can steam, roast, or stir-fry it and enjoy it as a delicious and nutritious side dish. Number 4. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help support gut health, boost the immune system, and protect against cellular damage. You can enjoy berries fresh, frozen, or dried, and they can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for extra flavor and nutrition. No. 5. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit that is rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. These nutrients can help lower bad cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and improve heart health. Avocado can be enjoyed in various ways, such as in salads, sandwiches, or as guacamole. No. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious alternative to regular potatoes. They are high in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body and can help improve vision and immune function. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber and vitamin C. To prepare sweet potatoes, you can bake, boil, or roast them and enjoy them as a delicious and healthy side dish. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that is high in protein, fiber, and iron. These nutrients can help improve muscle mass, regulate blood sugar, and prevent iron deficiency. Quinoa can be used as a substitute for rice or pasta, and it can be cooked in various ways, such as in soups, stews, or as a side dish. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is a beverage that is rich in antioxidants known as These compounds can help protect against cellular damage, lower the risk of heart disease, and aid in weight loss. Green tea can be consumed hot or cold, and it can be enjoyed any time of the day. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients can help improve heart health, regulate blood sugar, and promote weight loss. Nuts and seeds can be enjoyed as snacks or added to salads, yogurt, or smoothies for extra crunch and nutrition. Now that we've covered all 9 superfoods, let's take a moment to recap the key benefits of each one. Salmon can help improve brain function and lower the risk of heart disease. Spinach can improve bone health and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Broccoli can help detoxify the body and potentially lower the risk of cancer. Berries can support gut health and boost the immune system. Avocado can lower bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Sweet potatoes can help improve vision and immune function. Quinoa can improve muscle mass and prevent iron deficiency. Green tea can protect against cellular damage and aid in weight loss. Finally, nuts and seeds can improve heart health and promote weight loss. As we come to the end of this video, I want to leave you with one final thought. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. However, it's important to remember that no single food can provide all the nutrients your body needs. That's why it's essential to consume a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods. By doing so, you can improve your energy levels, boost your immune system, and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. But before we go, I want to hear from you. Which of these superfoods are you most excited to try, and why? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you're looking for more tips on how to improve your health and well-being, be sure to check out our other videos. We have a wealth of knowledge on various topics that can help you live a healthier life. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to access all our amazing content and start taking control of your health today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.